Hey dolls, so I am back. Sorry I kind of look a mess, but I wanted to show y'all this super fast, easy install. This is a V-part wig, so that means you don't have to leave a whole lot of hair out. I don't feel like putting on makeup. I really don't feel like going nowhere, but I got some errands to run and my hair wasn't done, so I just went ahead and popped this wig on real quick and seeing what I could do with it. I kind of played around with it last night. You could do like flip over method, you could do a side part, you could do no hair out, you could do leave out, you could do a middle part, you can make it as a headband wig. It's so many different options. So I ended up just leaving out a very small bit of my hair, and y'all will see how I did that in the video, and then how I blended it. My hair is still wet, so it's probably looking kind of shiny and whatever, but it will dry down in a little bit. So yeah, if y'all want to know where this hair is from and all the tea, then keep on watching. Okay, dolls, so this hair is from Nadula hair. This is the box. And like I was saying, it is a V-part wig, so you don't have to leave a whole lot of hair out. They did send this really pretty crystaled rainbow colored type headband. But for the style that I did, I'm not going to use a headband. And they also did send some wig caps and some other headbands. So they sent nude color. I got this headband. And then I also got this one. I think I have this one already from another company. And then I also got these. And they're kind of like tie-dye. So I got like a blue and a pink one. But for this style, I wouldn't put a headband on it. And I think sorry, the intro just cut off. But okay, so y'all can see I already have my hair kind of in a part in the middle. And then I put a stocking cap on. And then I am clipping the wig on. Now, you can do this and not leave your hair out, but you have to really finesse it for it to work. So after I kind of tried it, I was like, nah, I need to pull some hair out. My hair was already in plaits and everything, so I didn't want to take it all loose. So I am gently pulling some of my hair out to cover the area and just give it a more natural kind of vibe. So you can see I just used a little bit of hair and I showed you how it covers well. So then I took the wig off, you know, and put it back on, got all of the hair out that I needed. Then I went ahead and put the wig back on. And then I'm just making sure that my part is in the center. And then I'm going to go in and do some baby hairs. With these baby hairs, they're definitely kind of more dramatic, but I had tried them recently. And I think I did end up changing this because I didn't want them as dramatic. Like I wanted a little bit of dramaticness, but not all the way. So you will see I did change it up a bit and I didn't do all of those extra swirls. So yeah, just do some baby hairs however you want it, or if you just want to slick it straight back or whatever you want to do, then you can do that. But I did me some baby hairs just to really polish the look off. And then I'm also going to go in and wet my hair down really good, the hair that is going to be left out, and just really saturate it so that my hair can start to curl up. And my hair was not flat ironed or anything like that. It was just, you know, pull back into ponytails with plaits and everything. So it was kind of more stretched, if you will, but it didn't have any heat on it as far as it being flat ironed or anything like that. So I just have to wet it down and let it curl up because it has been dry. So you can see the top part is getting pretty curly, but the bottom, I do have some heat damage. I told y'all that before. So I am going to blend that in. And if you have straighter hair, then I guess you could probably kind of do this blending method that I'm going to show you. It just won't give you a curl at the top, you know. So yeah, I put a little bit of Eco Styling Gel on my hair to keep my hair from frizzing up. And then I'm going to grab a section of the actual wig and my hair where it is a little bit more straight. And I just kind of twist it a couple of times so that the hair will wrap into the wig and it will give more of that curly kind of look. And you won't really be able to see the straight piece. Like it's going to be more hidden whenever you do this. So you can already see it's already given. Like it definitely gives a very natural vibe and it looks good also without makeup because it's just that overall natural look. So yeah, stay tuned for the rest of the video. And I think it actually turned out real cute. To say, like, for real, y'all, today I did not feel like doing nothing. Like, I don't really feel like going nowhere at all, but I have places that I have to go. And I was just about to throw a wig on and pop a hat on and be out the door, because I really don't feel like doing my makeup and all of that. But it's like, yo, I would like for my hair to be done at least, like, since I'm giving plain Jane in the face. But I was like, yo, I got this wig. Let me see if I can finesse something real quick with it. And this will be like a fast, easy style that y'all could do. So if your hair is natural, it'll be, you know, really fast and easy to do this, because I just kind of wet my hair down. It's also time for me to do my shampoo and everything. So my hair is dirty and it's cute. Like, I didn't even wet the wig down, so the curls will be more juicy looking, but I just left it how it was. I guess I'll spray a little bit of water to give it that kind of look where it'll blend more with my hair. But yeah, I just used a little bit of my hair to cover the top part. But really, the way that the top part is made, you can go and do it without actually adding any of your hair over the top. And this hair is getting a little bit of shedding. But yeah, so I need to go run my errands. So I just wanted to do a quick, easy install with this wig. But like I said, you can do other things with it. It's very versatile, but it's curly. So, you know, if your hair is straight, then maybe this one might not be the best for you. Or you will have to curl your hair or whatever to try to get it to match. But I feel like it goes really good with my hair. Like, it's not the exact same. Like, these curls are definitely more ringlets and defined. My hair kind of gives, like, I don't know, kind of like a little bit of a wavy curly vibe, especially at the top. But I feel like it goes. So I just put a little bit of gel. I'm just adding a little bit more because that really helps, so my hair won't get all frizzy dizzy. But I think it turned out cute. Like, to say that I really did not kill today, like, y'all, I can't stress that enough. To say I really did not kill today, and I was really about to walk out the house with a hat on and just throw on any wig, this turned out cute. Now, I would suggest maybe to use a black stocking cap just in case, like, if it slides and you can see that cap underneath. Just push my cap back. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go and do what I gotta do. Let me back up so y'all can see how long she falls. And she gives natural. Like, she isn't too thick, but she isn't thin either. Okay, so let me show y'all the back.